Hi, today's topic is introduction to accounting. So, what is accounting basically? It is a classification. Okay, so when you understand what is classification, right, you will understand what is accounting. So, classification, what is classification? Ordering of things into group based on the similar and difference. So, it is called a classification. So, you may think why she's talking about this classification, right? So if you're able in every, I think every stream, no, like science, every stream they classify it. So once you understand what is classification, if you're able to do classifying in accountancy also, there is a classification like living being and non-living being. You have a classification, right, which we can grow accordingly, like plant, animal. So you're not putting plant in the non-living being because you're classified here. So same thing, things which cannot grow more, these things are like pen, table, size, cone. This is non-living being things. Okay, so coming to this, so people have also this solid, liquid, gases. So this also classification. So you know how you're classifying here, right? So how you're classifying those things. So according to American Institute of American Certified Public Accounting, how do you do it? Accounting is the art of recording, classifying and summarizing. Matlab, like you're classifying, recording, summarizing in a significant in terms of in the terms of money transaction and which are in the which are in, transaction and event which are the part. At least look, simply you're not going to classify it. Okay, here like this you're not going to classify it, whether it is table, gold, honey, water, oil. Only when you're classifying it, when you're going to do it this in this way, when you're having a financial character. So it is not just like, okay, something example. So in this also you're like you are classifying here with irrespective of anything, like this is how it is solid, whether you can touch all those things you are classifying here. But in accountancy, you have to classify. No, everything will be classified, but in case if it is not in financial character, you are not going to classify it. Okay, that is the meaning. Financial character matlab, only if it is having a financial impact on your company, then only you are going to classify and interpret it their result of. Okay, simple language I can tell. So we are going to classify here. So real, nominal and personal. Okay, in accountancy also there will be real, nominal or personal. So real means tangible, physical from touch, which is nominal means intangible, do not exist, unable to touch or having physical in, like what is a real means which you can touch. Simple language, like you can feel the presence, you can touch it, all those things. So one thing, let's say this pen. Okay, I bought it for stationery item example. This comes in the station, I can touch, so it comes a real account. Okay, but I am buying this pen for my daughter. uh, it will not come in this company. So then you will not consider as a real. So it will be, we are not going to consider this pen at all. But I'm buying this pen for my company, then it will come as a real. That in future you will understand more. So first you understand what is real. Real means which you can touch and feel. So this pen, intangible means like, nominal means like which you cannot touch, like income, profit, expense, loss, that you cannot touch. Personal means like it's all person like if you in the name also. So one thing is which you can touch, which you cannot touch. Example here, bank. Okay, you can't consider bank as we can touch it, right? It is a person who main important of the person is having a signing authority, signature. Any personal account comes who has the ability to sign, like a customer, supplier, bank and associations, like those comes under personal account. So coming to real and nominal example, if you see here, goods, furniture, cash, building, equipment, all are comes under real account because we can touch it. Nominal account which we cannot touch are like salary, rent, commission, discount, wages, discounts, receipt, this which cannot touch. Okay, then coming to capital account, personal account examples are like you have here, right? personal capital, bank, drawing, insurance, data, customer, vendor, salary, wages, all those are like comes under personal account. So once you come to know like how you are able to classify golden rules, so this will be the golden rules. So how what real, nominal and personal. So real with debit. So real means so when you will debit it, and we have to further classify it, debit. So in accounting, no, everything you are going to debit and credit it. Okay, so when you're going to debit it, when you're going to credit it, first you have to identify the thing, whether it is real, nominal or personal. Then you split it into whether it is coming into the company or goes out to the company. Nominal means when it is an expense to the company or it is an income or profit. So you, when you are going to be a pro in accounting, the journal entries and all, when you're able to understand whether it's real, nominal or personal, first thing. Then second thing, whether it is comes in or goes out, whether it is expense or income to the company, whether you are receiver or giver, that is important. So I don't like to follow the this rule. There is a modern way of classifying it, the transaction. This is like a old traditional method. Or new traditional method is much better. So we'll take up in the next video. Okay, this basic concept is very old method. This I think I personally don't like this method, so I don't use it. But in the colleges as a syllabus, no, what is this, what they're trying to tell is like every transaction in accounting they are going to divide it like real, nominal, all personal. So you're going to do this. Okay, so in next video we'll learn the new method, the traditional trade. This is a traditional, the modern method. Thank you, and do not forget to subscribe. Okay, thank you.